See if she'll do it again. So my turkey really takes her scratch and oyster shell seriously. She's so aggressive. And if I take it away and walk away, I will literally be chased. And she'll go for my fingers if I don't give it to her. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, but that's my turkey. And the baby chickens. No, take this. And then the ducks. They don't understand yet that they could just take it out of the bowl. Daisy, be nice. Here, girl. Oh dear. I was trying to give that to a chicken, not you. Oh my gosh. She's so rude. Look, Daisy, I don't have any more. Oh god, she's gonna go for my fingers. Okay. Calm down, chick. Stay. Let's see if I have treats for the ducks. I don't know if I have any vegetables. Okay, guys, come on. Oh, Boomer. Alright, let's see. I do. Save. Let's see how they... Sorry, King. I'll play with you in a sec, boy. Sit. Are you being a pretty boy? Go get it. Oh, no, Boomer. Okay. Turkey's the first one to spot I have food. Hold on. These smell weird. Oh, the ducks want it. Sandy, come on. In. Come on, Boo. Come on, Boogie, Boo. Alright, thanks for watching.